Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we got something from Taiwan. This box is from a company called 3 Meters. I did a Meet the Manufacturer with them somewhat recently, and they've got a couple new products. So let's crack her open, see what's inside. So first thing we got is some instructions on how to cook these. So thank you very much, I appreciate that. And here's an informational pamphlet, it looks like, with showing their varieties that they make. And here's a new one. It says there's soybean flavor pelt noodles, but they might be belt. They look to be very wide, so maybe they meant to say belt. But I really like this packaging. This blue is really striking. And these look identical from the outset, but it mentions these are pepper sesame flavors. And just off the top of my head, I don't remember if I've had this one already. This is their shallot flavor dry noodle. And I know I've had this one. This is their spicy variety. And cool that, oh wait, what's this? For lovely Miriam. Oh wow, my daughter's getting gifts. Hey, what have we here? A hat. This might just fit her. It's like a little cowboy hat. Cool, thank you very much. I know she'll really like this. We've been trying to find a hat that might fit her for the sunnier days. And yeah, this is cool. Thank you very much. Alright, well cool. Thanks to 3 Meters for sending this along, and this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.